Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this trapezoid whose side lengths are 8 and 5, and moreover the area of this yellow triangle is given as 6 square units. And now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded region. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And in this video tutorial, I will share with you two different approaches to solve this given problem. And here it is, our very first method. And in this very first step, let's go ahead and label these region. I'm going to call this yellow triangle as an A, this white triangle as B, and this green shaded region as C. And now let's focus on this highlighted triangle that combines A and B over here. Now let's go ahead and calculate the area of this highlighted triangle. And here's the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half time base time height. In our case, this is the base of this triangle, which is 8 units, and this is the height of this triangle, which is 5 units. So therefore the area of this triangle is going to be a half time base, in our case is 8, and height is 5. And if we simplify that thing, our area is going to be 20 square units. And this area represents the combined area of this A plus B. So no wonder I put down A plus B equals to 20. But we know our area A is 6 units. So I'm going to replace this by 6 plus B equals to 20. Let's subtract 6 from both sides. So that means this 6 and 6 cancels out. Our B area turns out to be 14 square units. So thus the area of this B region turns out to be 14 square units. And now in this next step, let's focus on this highlighted rectangle, and we are going to find the area of this rectangle. And here's the area of a rectangle formula. Area equals to length time width. So the area of this rectangle is going to be, in our case, length is 8. So 8 times width is 5. So area simply turns out to be 40 square units. And we know that this area is being represented by the combined area of B and C. No wonder I put down B plus C equals to 40, but we know our B value is 14. So let me go ahead and replace B by 14 plus C equal to 40. Let me go ahead and subtract 14 from both sides. So that means our C value turns out to be 26 square units. So thus the area of this green shaded region turns out to be 26 square units. So thus the area of this green shaded region turns out to be 26 square units. And here's our second method, our very first step. Let's go ahead and draw the diagonal in this rectangle. I am going to draw this diagonal over here, as you can see. And here's our much nicer looking diagram. And now let's go ahead and label these individual triangles. I am going to call this triangle A, this yellow one, and this white small triangle I'm going to call B, and this triangle I am going to call C, and this last one I'm going to call triangle D. And now in this next step, let's focus on these two shaded triangles. And here we are going to use the fact two triangles that share the same base and same height have the same area. Since these two triangles, they share this same base and they share this same height. So therefore, I just wrote down A plus B equal to B plus C. And now in this equation, we can see that B cancels out from both sides. So A equal to C, but we know A is 6 square units. So I'm going to write down 6 equal to C. So that means C turns out to be 6 square units. So thus the area of this C region turns out to be 6 square units. And now in this next step, let's go ahead and find the area of this highlighted right triangle, the area of this region D triangle. And here's the area of a triangle formula, area equal to a half time base time height. In our case, the base is 8 and the height is 5. So the area is going to be simply a half time base is 8 and height is 5. And if we simplify that one, that is going to give us 20 square units. So thus the area of this D region turns out to be 20 square units. And here's our final step. Now we can find the total area of this green shaded region, that is C and D combined. So the area is going to be equal to C plus D. In our case, C is 6 plus D is 20. If we add them, our area turns out to be 26 square units. So thus the area of this green shaded region turns out to be 26 square units, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.